Welcome. If you're looking to find your tagged posts on the Instagram app using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram's latest update has made it easier than ever to see where you've been tagged. And today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to access those posts right from your desktop. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, log in with your username and password. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. It's usually your profile picture or a silhouette. This will take you directly to your personal Instagram profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll notice your profile information at the top, your profile photo, bio, and maybe some highlights if you've set those up. Just below your profile info, there are a few different sections or tabs. Look for the section labeled Tagged. This is where Instagram collects all the posts in which other users have tagged you. Click on the Tagged section. Instantly, you'll see a grid of posts where your account has been tagged by friends, family, or even brands. Scroll through these posts to browse all your tagged content. If you're searching for a specific post, you can take your time to look through the grid until you find the one you want. Once you spot the post you're looking for, click on it to view the full image or video. Here, you can see who tagged you, read any comments, and interact with the post, just like you would on your phone. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can quickly find and view all your tagged posts on Instagram using the app on your PC. No more searching aimlessly. Everything you're tagged in is right there under your profile, ready for you to explore. Thanks for tuning in.